Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You're starting immediately. Inspect your router and Ps5 Ethernet port and choose a Cat5e or Cat6 cable so you get stable gigabit speeds. Once done, power off or set the Ps5 to rest to avoid hot plug issues, then physically route the cable to prevent kinks or tripping hazards. Next, plug one end into an available LAN port on your router or switch and the other firmly into the Ps5 LAN jack. You should feel a click when seated correctly. Now you'll configure the Ps5 so it actually uses the wired link. From Settings, go to Network, then set up Internet connection and choose Use LAN cable. This forces wired over Wi-Fi. Make sure to select Automatic for most users so the router assigns an IP via DHCP or pick Manual if you need a static address for port forwarding. Also set DNS to Automatic or use a custom like 1.1.1 for faster resolution, and finally run the connection test to confirm speed and NAT type. Finish by confirming the Ps5 shows a successful connection and checking system updates so firmware and network drivers are current. Once updated, test multiplayer, downloads, and streaming to verify the lower latency and higher stability you expected. If something goes wrong, follow one key troubleshooting step. Power cycle your modem and router, then check the cable LED on both ends for link lights. If no light, swap the cable or try a different LAN port on the router before.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.